Hello everyone, my name is Syahrani Safitri and my partner is Melinda Puspitasari. So in this video, we present about jargon in the K-pop fandom. So guys, do you know jargon? Okay, let me explain for you. Jargon is a special term which is used by certain group to communicate. This term is only known by people in the group, so people outside in the group it's difficult to understand it. At this time, we can find jargon in social media like Twitter, especially in fandom community like K-pop fandom. One of K-pop fandom is Engine fandom. It is a fandom for people who love ENHYPEN group, a boy band from South Korea. In the fandom, we can find jargon such as bias, maknae.
So for the statement of the problem, for the first is what are the jargon or typical terms used by the engine community on the Twitter and what do they mean? And the second is how can the use of this jargon reflect to identity or solidarity of the engine community on the digital platform? So for this study, the writer used a qualitative method with the following steps. For the first steps is the writer searching for K-pop community accounts on Twitter, especially engine fandom community, and then the writer collected the data with tweets, comments, discussion containing jargon terms in the community, and then the writer analyzing the data to identify the jargon terms they use.
Let's start with first example. There is Engina. It refers to the name which is used for ENHYPEN fans from Indonesia. It can show the fans' identity that they are part of Engine fans. Next, we found bias. It refers to a favorite member most liked by fans in the Engine group or K-pop group. The use of it can show fans' love to their idols. Then, there are fanboy and fangirl. Both of them refer to people who love and support the Engine group or K-pop group. So, fanboy is used by male fans, meanwhile, fangirl is used by female fans. Other example, we found freebies. It means a gift which is made by K-pop fans to be shared to the other fans freely. It usually shared when there is K-pop concert, so it can show solidarity between K-pop fans. Next, there is Baby Engine. It refers to a new fan who likes ENHYPEN group. So, it can show new fans' identity that they are part of ENHYPEN fans.
So for the next example is ENSD. ENSD stands for Engine Selkade. This is a tradition in the Engine fandom community. Fans post their selfies on Twitter while including the names of their favorite members of ENHYPEN and using special hashtag, and usually held every month on a certain date depending on the community's agreement to strengthen interaction between fans and show their support for the group. So for the next example, this is a Murfan. Murfan is a term used to refer to fans who support more than one group or artist in the K-pop world. Murfan usually has an interest in several groups, either from the same agency or different. Murfan solidarity reflects the spirit of respecting various groups, regardless of agency or fandom. They tend to promote tolerance and reduce conflict by showing support for various parties. The next example is a maknae. In the world of K-pop, maknae is a jargon derived from the Korean language which means the youngest member of a group, be it an idol group or in other contexts, such as a family or team. The term maknae helps build solidarity within the group, where fans often unite in showing their love or protection by creating a sense of solidarity among fandom members. So for the next example is line. The jargon line refers to the birth year in K-pop terms. In the context of K-pop, this term is often used to identify a certain age or generation both by idols and fans. By calling themselves line, one shows their generational identity. This helps they find a common ground with other fans who were born in the same year or close to their age. For the last example, this is Engine. Engine is the official name of the fandom of the K-pop group ENHYPEN. Engine also reflects the concept of evolution and growth in line with the group name ENHYPEN, which is inspired by the hyphen symbol, which means connecting something to form something new. The name Engine gives the group's fans a unique identity distinguishing them from other K-pop fandoms. This jargon strengthens the sense of solidarity among fans, as they all share the same identity as Engine. This creates a sense of brotherhood and connection among fandom members.
So guys, those jargon are only known by ENHYPEN fans or K-pop fans. And the meaning of those jargon can show the identity of fans that they are part of ENHYPEN fans, and also show the sense of solidarity between them.